The number line is, as its name suggests, a line with a lot of numbers on it. Actually, it has every number on it. It's usually drawn as a horizontal line, and you can move along it in two directions. To the right, known as the positive direction, where the numbers get bigger, and to the left, known as the negative direction, where the numbers get smaller. You'll often see tick marks drawn on the number line, which usually indicate where the whole numbers are located. Let's draw a point at this tick mark, and suppose this point represents the number 2. If we move to the right, or in the positive direction, the numbers get bigger. So this point over here is 3, this point is 4, and this point is 5. So which number do you think is represented by this point over here? Right, this point represents the number 6. As we move in the negative direction, the numbers get smaller. So the tick mark directly left of 2 is 1. Which number do you think is represented by this point? Exactly, this is 0. And if we keep going left, we'll have negative numbers, like -1 and -2. Which number is represented by this point over here, 2 tick marks to the left of -2? Nicely done. This is -4. Let's assign the appropriate numbers to the remaining tick marks here. Now all these numbers we've written so far are called integers. An integer is any number that's a positive whole number, 0, or a negative whole number. Between the integers on this number line, we have all the numbers that are not whole numbers. For example, where on this number line would you say 3.5 is located? Precisely, the number 3.5 is halfway between 3 and 4, and so sure enough, it appears halfway between 3 and 4 on the number line. As a final challenge, take a look at this point over here. What number would you say this point represents? Excellent work! It turns out that this point represents -1.25. So the number line is a graphical or visual way to represent all the numbers, and we'll be using number lines, also known as axes, all throughout algebra.